Today we're going to drop the bumper on a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Okay, we're going to start off by removing all these retainer clips. What you're going to need is a trim tool removal. Alright, so here we are. Just go ahead and pull this up and out, then underneath and out, and just go ahead and put these in a nice safe location so they don't get lost. And just go ahead and remove all of them from here. There's also going to be some at the bottom. We're going to lift the car up for that. Then there is a couple of screws here and here, and possibly one right in here, not too sure, but we'll find out. And let's go ahead and take all this off. To make it easier, you go ahead and turn the wheel inward to whichever side that you're working on. Turn it right if you're working on the left hand, turn it to the left if you're working on the right hand. So we're going to use a flathead to loosen this up, and it looks like that is a plastic retainer. So let's go ahead and use this and pull that out. Let's use a Phillips right in here, and that one is too small or too big. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this one off here. And not too sure if that releases the bumper all the way. Okay, so with a flathead, just go ahead and pry this out here, and you're going to want to push this down from here, and just go ahead and pull this out carefully, and everything should come right off. And we're going to go ahead and unscrew or do the retainer clips that are underneath the vehicle, the bumper. And actually, before you pick up the car, let's go ahead and do the passenger side next. And let's do the same. Turn the wheel. Let's go ahead and take this retainer clip off. And just pull that bad boy out. Let's go ahead and just push this out from here, like so. That's already out there. Looks like that's broken, but let's go ahead and remove this screw from here anyhow. Alright, and there it is. And just go ahead and pull this down and out. Right, little helper? So now we're going to go ahead and lift it up and take the retainer clips that are underneath. You know what? We actually don't need to lift the car up. Looks like all it is these 10 mil or a Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 or 8 of them, or a little bit more. So let's go ahead and take all those screws out of there. Alright, so let's go ahead and just remove all these screws, and let's put these in a nice safe location. Okay, so all these are the center ones. These two are the ones for the ends, and hopefully this bumper comes off now. Just work it out all the way. Just be careful with everything. Let me see. Make sure there's nothing else here. Alright, so the next step we're going to actually have to do is remove this grill. Down here, there's these little pins. Just push them up all the way until you get this out. And we'll set this up here to the side. There's retainer clip here, retainer clip here, retainer clip here. Thank God we didn't pry on it. So let's go ahead and grab the trim tool and remove these from here. Okay, after you have those removed, now the bumper comes off. There it is. Let's put this sucker over here. Sweet. See how she looks, rally style. Looks like she was in an amino accident. But anyways, that's how you remove the bumper from a 2015 Toyota Sienna. The whole purpose I am doing this for this one's not open yet, but this one is. Boom. Fog light installation. Make sure to catch that video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.